rest of them. So now we want to learn how to start managing files on our computer. Okay, and it's pretty easy, and I love to manage my computer very well. They are all called icons. So once you launch a new application, you can decide to have a shortcut of it on your desktop. All right, so for the things you use often, you can decide to have a shortcut of it. So for example, this calculator now, if I right click, I can create a shortcut of it on my desktop, but I'll just leave it on the taskbar. Okay, so if we want to create folders, what we need to do is to right click, just right click on the desktop. Once you right click on the desktop, you click on new. Once you click on new, you see folder. I'll go over it again. If you want to create a folder, just like you're arranging your office, you right click, you click on new, and you can create a folder. All right, so can you see a folder is already created automatically on my desktop? So I can give it any name, and I can just name it Kennel and press the enter key. So can we all create a folder on our desktop? But if you keep creating folders and files on your desktop will be clumsy. So I'm going to teach us how to put them somewhere. Okay, so can we all practice creating a folder on our desktop? Just like we create folders, we can also create files on the desktop. So you just right click and you click on new, and you can create any file of your choice. So you can either create a Word document file, and it will just be on your desktop. So you can say, maybe I want to create a file for campaign. Let me just write campaign. So you can create a file. So whatever you're creating on the desktop will just be filling your desktop, and time will come when your desktop is so clumsy. All right, so if we don't want our desktop to be clumsy, we need to go to our file explorer. So just click on the file explorer, and under the file explorer we have different places where we can create files so that our desktop is not so clumsy. Okay, and then the file explorer opens up in a window. You can use your file explorer to manage all the files in your system. Now you can see that the interface is looking very, very tiny. You can't see it. So if you want to increase it, I'll just come to this view. So I'll click on view, and I can make it larger so that you can see it very well. So under view, if I click on list, I'll see everything in a list format. Okay, if I click on small icons, I will see them in small boxes. But because I'm teaching, I'm going to use very large icons so that you can see them. Can you see? So you use your view to change the way you see your things on your file explorer. So call it a day. In the absence of anything, this will be me saying bye. Have a
Thank you so much.
nice evening.